How to clear cookies on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear cookies on your Android device using Google Chrome. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Google Chrome app on your phone and make sure that you are logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the Chrome, simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And here, once you tap on it, a drop down menu will appear. From that menu, simply scroll down and tap on Settings. And here, once you are in the Settings section, simply scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security under the Basics. And here, once you are inside the privacy and security, simply tap on delete browsing data. And here you will see different options to clear like browsing history, cookies and site data, cache images and files, and lot of other things. So uncheck browsing history and cached image and files and only check cookies and site data. And here, once you have done that, simply tap on the last hour which can be seen at the top right corner of the screen. And here, from the drop down menu, simply select all time. And once you're done with all that, simply tap on delete data button which can be seen in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you do that, it will ask for the confirmation, and in there simply tap on delete again. And once you're done with that, you have successfully cleared cookies from your Chrome on your Android device. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.